Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional wood cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. People always underestimate the weight of a tree. Watching four guys struggling with tons of wood always drives me crazy. Run immediately, as fast as you can before you can reach. A strong wind has caused the tree to uproot and potentially topple onto your house. You forget that large tree branches in residential areas are dangerous, especially when strong winds hit. Well done. I really admire how perfect you work. I could watch this all day. The perfection speaks for itself. What a professional cutting technique. Great skill. I like to see safety measures in place. Tree cutting doesn't have to be dangerous. Oh my God, he was so reckless to plant a big tree in front of the house. He will pay the price when he falls. He didn't calculate carefully, leading to the house being hit. Now, he has to spend more money to repair the house. Dead trees, bark, and dry branches are dangerous for the loggers. They can fall from above at any time. The loggers need to be careful when working to ensure safety. Absolute reliability. You can imagine a huge tree that big takes 2 days to cut down. Sadly, that's exactly what happened. He is so professional to cut down a huge tree in such a short time. Commendable. Things are only dangerous when you don't know what you're doing. Oh no, the houses are avoiding the wrath of the high branches with this smart approach. He's so precise, he got the right direction. It was really not professional work. It blocked all the parking spaces, and luckily it didn't hit the car. Oh my God, wrong technique and lack of precision when cutting the tree near the house. Luckily, the tree fell and didn't do much damage. Invincible. How long do you think it will take him to take down this giant monster with that giant chainsaw? Leave a comment below. Join us as we watch lumberjacks cut down giant trees. The coordination with the saw made it easier for them to complete the task more efficiently. Wages, day labor. Those guys not only cut down trees, they also challenge the trees by weight with chainsaws. Every move is calculated like a dance with the giants of nature. Oh my God, what confidence do they have to do this dangerous job? There are always surprises in this job requiring quick reflexes and proper safety. These are the sounds of the days, both gentle and strong. From this perspective, I can see the danger and challenge, a moment of distraction, and the risk of losing balance is real. The scenery is truly majestic. The logger's job is to clear and cut down dead and rotten trees. Their experience in observing and organizing their work ensures they stay safe while completing their tasks.
Yeah!
A gust of wind blew the tree and lifted its roots out of the ground, which was very dangerous. Luckily, no one was around. Well done. It is the result of teamwork. Efficiency helps prevent the risk of harm to yourself and everything around you. For a true professional, there is nothing they cannot do. Every time the tree starts to fall, I feel both scared and excited. It's an indescribable feeling, completely parallel. He is a real expert. Watching his work is actually more satisfying than when it collapses. It feels like witnessing a part of the ancient forest's history collapse majestically, but with a bit of regret. Leave a comment below if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. First-hand experience of the thrill of danger. There is nothing more challenging than moving a large tree next to a house. Any wrong move can lead to serious consequences. To complete the job, you must have professional qualifications and absolute determination in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the natural leaning tree trunk, and especially the safe distance between surrounding structures. This is a safe method of dealing with a dead tree instead of removing it with a chainsaw, which requires a professional team and a large and safe area to avoid damaging surrounding structures. Oh God, the cut needs to be a little deeper. I think the chainsaw will tell you. Nature really knows how to play tricks when a tree falls. The sound of a chainsaw is always a mix of gentleness and power.
To hell with that thing. That thing right there will bring hail and all of the wood behind it. That's a monster. I don't care what anybody says, deer ain't got shit on that.
Amazing engineering. Watching that giant tree fall is like watching an artist complete their masterpiece. It was the satisfying sound of a tree falling. Perfect. The lumberjack's cutting technique. He had used it for many years. Do you think it was really dangerous? Prepare all safety equipment, observe and choose the correct working posture. That is one of the golden rules he must follow. Working at height is really dangerous.